What is marketing really? It's way more than just billboards. Let's break it down.
Well, they all use marketing, just in completely different arenas. Let's dive in.
First up, we got to understand the playing field. Who are the customers and where do we find them? Yeah, selling shoes is totally different from selling enterprise software. Each market needs its own playbook. And the where is always changing, right? It's not just physical stores anymore. We've gone digital.
But wait, there's another layer, the meta market. This is where totally separate industries start to connect.
Think about buying a car. You're dealing with dealers, banks, insurers. That whole ecosystem is a meta market.
And get this, there are companies called metamediaries that exist just to help you navigate all that.
All right, so we know the playing field. Now, what tools do marketers actually use?
It all starts with this. A need is food. A want is a cheesesteak. A demand, you can actually afford it.
And this is a key point. Marketers don't create our needs. They just tap into them and shape our wants.
But it gets even deeper. We can actually break customer needs down into 5 different types.
This is where the magic happens. A great marketer knows inexpensive really means make me feel smart.
So how do marketers find their ideal customers? They segment, target, and position their brand in your mind.
They do this with a clear value proposition. It's basically the core promise they're making to you.
And that value promise? It's always this balancing act between quality, service, and of course, price. Okay, so marketers have their tools, but how do they actually get their products and messages to you?
They use marketing channels. Think of them like highways for delivering messages, products, and services.
The supply chain is the whole journey, from raw coffee beans all the way to the final cup in your hand.
In competition, it isn't just Coke versus Pepsi. It's any other drink a buyer might choose instead.
So that's the classic playbook, but how does it all apply to the crazy, fast-moving world we live in now?
Well, technology, globalization, these huge forces are completely changing the game, creating new challenges and opportunities.
Smart companies are adapting. TerraCycle taps into environmental needs by upcycling trash into some pretty cool stuff.
Or look at allrecipes.com. They built a massive community simply by tapping into our very human need to share.
So in today's incredibly noisy world, understanding these core human needs, it's basically a superpower.